Hello guys, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn about how to deploy a bot on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started now. Go to your Dialogflow web page, select integrations, choose Facebook Messenger, activate it by activate the toggle button. Now open a new tab and enter developers.facebook.com. You need to log in with your Facebook credentials. Click on create new page, enter the page name. Choose the category and click on create page. So now our FB bot page is created successfully. If you want to add profile picture or cover photo, you can add, but for now I'm not going to add anything. I'm going to skip this and I'm going to save it. You can see in the corner we have an option called add button. I'm going to click on it. There is one service send and receive message. We need to activate it. So now I have activated that service. You can see here guys the name of the page is being displayed here, but there are some formalities that we need to complete it. So now go back to your developers page, click on add or remove pages. You can see all the pages that you have created here. Select the page, click on next, then click on done. Click OK. Now you can see the page is successfully integrated. Next, you have to click on generate token and copy the generate token. Go to your dialog flow and enter the copied generate token and enter the copied token in your page access token. Now go back to your developers page and click on add callback URL. Go back to your dialog flow and copy the callback URL and paste it into developers callback URL page. Now next enter the verify token. Verify token is a user defined token. So now I'll enter here is FB token. Copy this. Go back to your dialog flow, enter on verify token and click on start. The bot has been started. Come back to the developers page and click on verify and save. Now Dialogflow is successfully integrated with Facebook Messenger, but we have to add the subscriptions and select three options. Click on add subscriptions, select messages, messaging postbacks and messaging options and click on save. So guys, now we have successfully integrated Dialogflow with Facebook Messenger. Thank you guys for watching this video.